Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is earth phase neutral. In this video, I will explain all the things about earth phase and neutral. My request to you is, please don't quit the video in the middle, watch it entirely, you will get pure knowledge. Look at this, here it is 3-pin top. In the middle upper side, large and thickened pole is earth. And in the left side is live and in the right side is neutral. Live and neutral pole have equal height and diameter, but the earth pin is higher than phase and neutral and thicker also because of full safety of human being. Here how we actually get electricity through socket in our house. This is the source and this is the live wire and this is the neutral wire. Neutral is connected to left side of the socket and live is connected to right side of the socket, and middle is connected to ground wire. This is how a port in our house is connected. And one thing to show you, look, neutral is also grounded. Here I have shown single phase. If it would be 3-phase star connection, then earth wire would be connected to middle of star, like this image. Now I will tell you why neutral wire is connected with earth. Before all, I should tell you types of earthing. Earthing systems are TN type, TNS, TNC, TNCS, TT, IT. All these earthing systems are used based on single phase load, 3-phase load, industrial load, high voltage, medium voltage, HVDC. Look here, if we don't connect earth wire in the supply side, then unbalanced floating voltage may appear. Like here, lightning impulse can damage this equipment and also can damage electricity subscribers' house equipment by its high voltage surge. That is why earth is very necessary in supply side. And now I will tell you why earth is necessary in subscribers' house. Look at this picture. In this socket, earthing wire is not provided. Here only neutral and live is connected. And in this port, a device has connected which has metal body. The device is running but it has fault. And now a man touches the device and he gets shock. Current flowing through his body. This is very fatal problem. Human being can be died. If the port would be provided earthing wire like this, then the device would have earth connection and the MCB connected in phase wire would trip at the very moment. Then the human body would not get shock. The current would go through earth wire, not through the human body. Look at this image. Here, one test lead of multimeter is in the earth and another on red is in the neutral. Here neutral wire has some voltage. This voltage between earth neutral occurs because of this neutral wire resistance, and this voltage depends on this load. If we earth the neutral here, then we won't be able to see this voltage. This voltage only appears because of this neutral wire resistance. Look here, in secondary side of transformer, I have shown 3 loads on 3 phase separately connected in neutral. Here red, yellow and blue are 3 phase and black is the neutral. In the star connection of secondary side of the transformer, where neutral wire comes out, there earth wire is connected, and this part of transformer is primary coil where high voltage comes. In these 3 loads separately 10 ampere currents flowing, and here the load is balanced. and here I have connected on load in between phase and earth. Current flowing through the load and going to earth. Here the voltage will unbalanced and may high and low. This is not the right way of running a load. So viewers, this is for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.